Alright guys, I'm gonna go over the quiz real fast. We did on to Wednesday. So the first one, how many micrograms are in 5.7 kilograms? So we gotta convert. So we're looking for micrograms. That goes first. So we got micrograms. Alright, and we got kilograms. Well, we know if there's 1 kilogram, there is 6 micrograms. So I'm sorry, 6 bases to the microgram. So it's 6 zeros, correct? Okay. So then then we got 5.7 kilograms over x or 1. Okay. So we have those are kilograms. Out. Equals 5,700,000. Okay? Because you take the 1 million times the 5.7. That gives you 5,700,000. Okay? Now remember, we can convert that. We're going to check our work. 5.7 kilograms. We're converting it to micrograms, which one is smaller? Micrograms is smaller, so we're going to move to the right. So that means that number is going to be what? Bigger. Because we're going to move that decimal. 1. I'm going to take those milligrams out of this off here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 7 takes up 1 0. So there you go. 5,700,000. That's your answer. Okay? Next one. A baby weighs 13 pounds. How many grams is this? We're not looking for kilograms, we're looking for grams. Don't get confused. Okay? So it says grams, not kilograms. So if we have we're looking for grams, right? Okay, so that's what we're looking for, grams. So we're putting grams here first. All right, well, so we have grams, and we have, that's what we're looking for. So we know we gotta convert. So what are we gonna convert that to? Well, we know 1 kilogram equals how many grams? Well, kilograms is larger than grams, right? So we're gonna move this over 1, 2, 3. So that means 1,000 kilograms. Okay? 1,000 milligrams, or 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Okay? Well, 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. And they give you 13 pounds. Correct. Okay? So we get what? 1,000 times 13 equals 13,000 over 2.2, because 1 times 2.2 is 2.2. That gives you 5909.09. All right, there you go. Okay, 5909.09 grams. Now it goes on 0909. You only need these two because we round to the nearest 10 or 100. Okay. Now, if you wanted to do this again, you could just convert this 1,000 over, because you know 2.2 pounds equals 1 kilogram. When we convert that kilograms to milligrams, or to grams, to 3, right? So that would now be grams. Well, 2.2 pounds equals 1,000 grams. Well, 13 times So 1,000 times 13, 1,000. Just do it this way. Just do it this way, guys. Okay? Just do it that way. That's where your answer is. 5909. There's how you work it out. I'm gonna stop. You guys gotta learn how to work this out because again, these prescription labels are gonna be very dependent on your initial analysis. Okay? Next one. If a scar measured 20 millimeters, how many centimeters would this equal? All right, well, we know millimeters, we're looking for centimeters, so we're gonna put that there. Equal, okay, and we start our equation like this. So we're looking for centimeters, how many centimeters? So put centimeters there, okay? Well, which one's larger, millimeters or centimeters? Millimeters is larger, so you want to do one, so if we can put that over, so, you know, there's a difference of how many zeros in between centimeters and meters, or millimeters and centimeters. There's 3, okay? So if we convert this, we're gonna convert this, so there's how many centimeters? So we know 1,000 centimeters equals 1 millimeter, okay? So 1,000, no, I'm sorry. 1,000 centimeters equals 1 millimeter, I'm sorry. Okay, so there's 1 millimeter, all right? Now, so what do we have here? We have 20 millimeters over 1. What's that give you? 20,000 centimeters. Okay? Again, you can double check your work. You move this, you know this is millimeters. Have it goes centimeters. Start here, 1, 2, 3. There gives you your 20,000. Okay? All right. Next one. Twenty thousand centimeters. All right. Number 4. Number 4. Physician ordered 60 milligrams of medication. What is the equivalent dose in grams? What is the dose in grams? Grams. So, grams first. What we're looking for, grams. Okay? So, start here, grams. Alright? And we're going to put milligrams here. Well, which one's bigger? So we know grams is bigger than milligrams. So what do we want to do? We want to use the 1 over 1,000, or we want to do 1,000 over 1. No, because we have 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams, right? Because we're moving it over 2, 3 to the right. Okay? Now, we give 60 milligrams over your X or what, whatever you want, okay? So, what do we get? 60 milligrams over 1,000. And what do we get? What's 60 divided by 1,000? Equals 0.06 grams. Okay?